Hi, ladies and gentlemen. We are hearing always in our professional life that leadership, and he is leader, she is leader, who is not leader. But somewhere it is missing from the mind that which type of the characteristics should be in a leader. In fact, it is a very wide word and having a very big impact. But few among those may be that if you are having, you may be called as a leader. Very important thing is that leader is not from Mars. Leader is amongst us. Leader are not born. Leader are those people who cultivated the role model of a leader, a successful leader, whom people called an effective leader. What are the characteristics he is having? Having it as a role model, they tried to adapt with, and slowly and steadily they converted themselves as they are working, and thus they came in the queue of leaders. So don't have fear that I cannot become leader, or X can become leader, Y can become leader. Y speaks well, X run very fast, he does the work very effectively. So having all these similar and collective opportunity, he and she only can become leader. Motivate yourself, self-motivate yourself, and have a very strong approach that yes, I am also leader. What are the characteristics you should minimum carry to be recognized as a leader or to be called as a leader? Very important thing that you should be man of a balanced mind. Very important thing, and this is a common. This is not only in industry, this is in the general society, industrial society, and society as a whole. Either it is globe as it is the domestic market. So you should have a very balanced mind. You should be a very good listener. You should listen. Very important thing. And on and often it has been told by senior and superior people that don't keep on talking only. You try to listen what others are saying. You have to explore best out of that, and thus you have to be a good listener. It is good to health also. Some people are there, they even don't listen the full question, full observation, they jump into the answer. If you have not heard the question, if you have not addressed the challenges, how you can address it religiously and purposefully? So you should be a good listener also. In our life, we face different kind of the challenges. Different. Some comes from the personal life, some come from the social life, some come from the kith and kin, some come from the other people with whom we are working. So what we should do? If any challenge comes, then answer is automatically after it. We have to only recognize, we have to only understand the challenges, and then we have to find out the answer very carefully and very quickly. So a leader is having these characteristics also. A leader in general motivates himself, motivates herself. He never ramp into the cart, rather he jump out of the cart. Very important. Please carefully listen this. And if you can exercise in your personal life, you will be benefited. That problem comes, challenges comes, we should be ready, not as a hunter master, but as a humble master. As humbly we should accept it, and we should never get disappointed. We should find out that what is the purpose of this challenge, what is the purpose of this problem, from where it is coming, what far it is coming, and try to visualize it, visualize properly, deeply, and face it, answer it. If you are not coming any answer, any solution, you leave it silently for a small period. For a small period, you keep your eyes closed, mind shut, and just you relax, you will get the answer. You might have seen that eminent personality, when he heard any problem, any issue, then you may be seeing that there is a very big pause in their thought and delivery. They think and then they decide slowly and they put it to you. Leader always reads the good books. Leader always acquires the knowledge from different sources, not only reading the book, but from the acquired sources also. A leader is a good man manager. He takes the people together. A leader is a path maker, and he is a record setter. He puts the example to the people, and followers learn from it and they perform. Leader always guide you that do it like this, do it like that, and they work like a mentor also. If you go to them, very nicely they will attend you, and definitely they may be saying, and they will be saying that tell me how I can help you. As soon as you put your question, they recognize it and they understand, and then they guide you. Leader, they are having experience, exposure of the subject. It may not be that entire happening at the globe they are aware about, but what has been asked to them, they are the person to give the appropriate answer. Result, they deliver the result well within the time. Then though they are the person not to stagger it, not to drag it, but they are trying that well within the stipulated time they'll deliver the result. The quality of result they deliver is uncompromised. It is as per the vendor expectation. This is the result. They never use the haphazardous method or manner to work at place and to give the result to the vendor. They are person of positive thought. They are not the pessimistic. They are the optimistic. They find out all the opportunity in negative approach also. They are the person to lit the light, Deepak Jalana, in the mind of the people. They are not the person to harass the person, to create any problem, and they are also a drum beater. Drum beater means Vijayi. always whatever work they are doing, they are getting the victory out of that. So they are the person to be recognized as a person to get the victory. विजय प्राप्त करते हैं वो चाहे जहाँ भी जाएं. They are the team player. They take care the people, their concern, and they are giving solution of all those things. If minimum these are the characteristics a person is carrying, the person who is amongst us definitely will be recognized and called as a leader. Here in this video I will sum up. In next video I will come with the other characteristics of the good and dynamic, energetic and effective leaders. Thank you very much.